killing wackery, on the block I shot. Get it drop in the pagans deck I love. Peek if I tell my beauty, come with a mako, palema. A shanty fella, sale, lo, sale, lo. Nianti fella, sale, lo, sale, lo, sale, lo. She feeling a kid. When you're there, right on it.
Good morning, guys. Ignore the attitude because I'm so sleepy and tired. If you don't already know by the title, I'm taking you guys along with me from like my classes and everything today. I know I said I don't really do vlogs in my first video, but we're trying something new every day, so I decided I was going to take you guys along. But you have to make sure you comport yourself because even though I'm Moko's mom, I'm not taking around stubborn babies. This is like the third time I've had to wake up today, gather the energy and finally come like to take my shower and get ready for class because I'm so tired. And I don't even know why I keep doing this to myself, because you know you have a class at 7:30 in the morning. Why are you staying up as late as 2 a.m? We're going to work on that because it's very unhealthy. All the same, I just have a couple of things to do today, and I just thought, why don't I take you guys along? Because like I'm trying to get abreast with the fact that this is actually a thing. Like I have a channel, so I have class, and then I have to go for some type of event and something. I might go to the library because I have like a break in between somewhere. I honestly don't even know anymore. And then class again, and then I have a test after my second class, and I feel like that's basically most of what's going to be happening for the day. And like I said, comport yourselves, because if you don't, I'm not telling you guys anymore again. Be still, be calm, be quiet, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So being tamed, I'd rather be wild. This is bendy, they wanna be down.
Knowing very well I had class. Listen, I didn't want to make voiceovers, but I couldn't type. It's like I had class. I knew I was late for class, but I was here. Only God knows what I was doing on this laptop, because I definitely didn't have assignments to finish. I definitely didn't have anything I was studying on the laptop, so I don't even remember what I was doing. Probably I was checking emails, but like, come on, look how relaxed I am. The fact that I look so relaxed, like I have nothing, like there's nothing at stake. Hey, but all the same, when I got to class, the lecture hadn't started. But come on.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sono. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got CEOs out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a bike. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat.
Okay, so guys, I'm currently off to class now. I'm actually kind of late, but I'm too tired to even speed up. I'll try and get there as early as possible. After the first class, I have a 2-hour break, so I'll probably go to the library, but I'm not even really sure yet. I'm still contemplating on what to do. But either ways, I have a class now, and I'll see you all when I'm done.
Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Yeah, 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Herman's and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like a narco. Got dope like. Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that now? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah.
So guys, I haven't forgotten about you. How can I forget about my babies? After the library, a lot of things happened in like very sequential order. So consecutively, when I'm done with this, I have to do this. So after the library, I had to go and check for the vetting thing I was talking about. But then apparently we have to go back tomorrow because they were having some signal problem. I took some snack to class because I knew like it was going to be a long day. So I took my snack and just filled my tummy a little bit and sustained me for some time, like if I would say about 30 minutes or something. She extended the time for a little bit, and I like this lecturer, like I like her very much, so it wasn't really a problem listening to her. But the only issue was I was really hungry, I was tired, I was sleepy because it was like an assessment thing and we had some group discussions and everything, so it was keeping the whole thing lively. So that's it. I'm closed from the school. And then oh my gosh, I almost forgot, I went with a friend. We went to check out some market somewhere, and then I bought a few items that I needed, but I didn't think I was even going to be able to get it. Now I'm back at the hostel. So I'm going to take a very long nap, and then when I wake up I'll find something to eat. I don't know what I'm going to eat yet, but we'll definitely find something. So basically I think this has been a very good vlog. Like I didn't forget to like film, except those parts where I was like very busy, but I still updated you guys, right? So I did pretty well. I woke up from my nap like probably an hour or two ago. It was a very good nap, but then the alarm that I set to you wake me up didn't work, and I'm glad it didn't work because it helped me to get like enough sleep, because like I'm so tired and my feet are so sore, all from like last week. I'm actually glad I did this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see more vlogs, please comment down below, because I actually want to make more vlogs now, even though I said maybe vlogs. But like now I'm actually sure. So yeah, that's kind of like a sum up of today. It's not really a regular day-to-day routine that, you know, all these activities happen. But since I had a lot to do, I decided to, like, you know, why not vlog? I'm so hungry. I still haven't eaten yet, but I ordered pizza from Papa's Pizza because on Tuesdays they do that buy one get one free, and you know I'm chipping out on that one because who doesn't want one free? It has actually arrived. I'll probably show you something. I mean, because it's all part of the vlog. But all the same, that's the end of the vlog, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, babies.
Straight to the penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I keep these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seats.